Welcome back to Good Deva online classes. As students, what we have discussed in the last class? In the last class, we started a new chapter, right? That is a division. So, in that chapter, we learned two concepts, right? The first one is division as equal distribution and the second one is division as repeated subtraction, right? Yes, before starting to our class, once again, we will revise those things by doing these two problems, right? So it comes under the headline let's recall. See here, this is the let's recall. The first problem, here are some stars in a separate groups. So here the total number of groups are 2. So in a first group the number of stars are 1, 2, 3, right? In the second group also we have 3 stars. In total 3 plus 3 it is 6 stars, right? So you have to write down this arrangement by using a division symbol, right? So first you have to write down the total number of stars. How many stars are there? Yes, the total 3 plus 3 it is 6. So I am writing 6 here. The next, which symbol are you writing here? So here you have to write the division symbol because it is a division chapter, right? So I am writing division symbol here. Yes, next you have to write down the number of groups. How many groups are there here? So this is the first group and this is the second group. So the total number of groups are 2. So I am writing 2 here. The next, write down the equal sign. So next, later what you have to write? So here you have to write how many stars in each group. See, in the first group, the total number of stars are 1, 2, 3, right? So that you have to write down here. So this is our division number statement. It is 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So this 6 is the total number of stars and 2 is the number of groups and 3 is the number of stars in each group, right? So now come to the next problem. So it is 12 divided by 4 is equals to dash. So here you have to find out the answer for this question. So you have to solve this problem using division as a repeated subtraction method, right? So first write down the first number, that is 12. The next we are doing subtraction here. So I am keeping minus here. So 12 minus, write down this 4. What is 12 minus 4? Yes, 12 minus 4 is 8. So write down here 8. Right? The next, you have to take the number 8 here. 8 minus the same number 4, write down here. So 8 minus 4 is what? 8 minus 4 is 4. Write down here 4. Okay. The next, write down this 4 again here. So next, put a symbol of subtraction, that is minus. Next, again you have to take the number 4. What is 4 minus 4? 4 minus 4, it is 0. So finally, we reach the number 0 here. So here, we repeatedly subtract the number 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. How many times? 3 times from 12. So, what is our answer? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 is our answer. So, in this problem, we subtract the number 4 3 times from 12. We get 3 as the answer. Right? So, my dear students, so this is about our previous class. So, now come to our today's new concept. As students, already you know how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply the given numbers on number line, right? Now it's a time to learn how to divide the number on a number line. Okay? Yes students, so today's new concept is about division on number line. So division can also be done by the method of repeated subtraction on number line, right? But in other operation like addition, subtraction and multiplication, we always start from 0 and move forward, right? But in division, it is just opposite to that. For example, in multiplication, we are moving in a forward direction. But in division, it is opposite to that. Means in division, we are moving backward. And in multiplication, the starting point is the 0. But in division, the bigger number is the starting point. So how to solve this problem? Yes, so now I will explain with one example. Students, come to the first problem. It is 8 divided by 2 is equals to dash. Here you have to find out the answer using a number line. Right? So already you know this is a number line. Right? Students, in other operations like multiplication, we always start from 0. But in division, we are not start from 0. We always start from the starting number. So in this given problem, which is the starting number? That is 8. So in division, we always start from the starting number. That is 8. Right? So here where is 8? So here is a number 8. So here I am starting from 8. The next, this 2 indicates the number of steps or size of the jump. Right? Here I need to jump back 2 steps from 8. See here, 1, 2. So this is the first jump. Right? So now we are at 6. Is this division over? No. I will keep on jumping back of 2 steps from 8 till you reach 0. Right? So here we jumped 1 step. Right? So next again from 6. 1, 2. So this is the second jump. The next from 4. 1, 2. The next. Now we are in 2. The next 1, 2. Yes. Finally we reach the number 0 here. Right? So what is the answer here? Yes students, the number of jumps is the answer of this question. So let's count the number of jumps. See here, this is the first jump. The next, this is the second jump. This is the third one. And this one is the fourth jump. So here the total number of jumps are 4. So write down 4 here. This is the answer. Right? So my dear students, you please remember the 3 main points in this problem. The first one, you always starts from the starting number in the given problem. The next, you always move backward till you reach 0. Right? At last, you have to count the number of jumps. That is the answer of this question. Right? So my dear students, in division, the answer we call it as a quotient. So students, so in this problem, this 8 is called dividend. So this 2 indicates a divisor. Right? The answer in subtraction, that is called a quotient. So in this problem, which is the answer? The 4 is the answer. Right? So that we call as a quotient. You please remember these 3 points. Right? So students, now come to the second problem. It is 18 divided by 3 is equals to dash. Right? So what is our first step? So you have to start from the starting number in the given problem. So that is 18. It is nothing but a dividend. Right? You always start from a dividend. So here where is 18? So here is the 18. Right? So this is our starting point. The next, what this 3 indicates? This 3 indicates the number of steps. So here I need to jump back 3 steps from 18 till you reach 0. Right? So first 18, 1, 2, 3. So this is the first jump. Right? Next, again from 15, 1, 2, 3. This is the second jump. The next, once again from 12, 1, 2, 3. Now We are in 9. Once again starts from 9. See here, 1, 2, 3. The next, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, finally we reach the number 0 here. Now it's complete. Next, what is our next step? So next step is you have to count the number of jumps. See here, this is the first jump. The next, second one. This is the third jump. This fourth jump. This is the fifth jump. And this one is the sixth jump. The total number of jumps are 6 here. So that is the quotient. Write down here answer. Right? So students, this is about a division on number line. So now I will move to the textbook activity. So see here, in your textbook, in the page number 103, here is an exercise number 3.3. So I am reading the headline. All of you listen here. Divide using number line and fill in the boxes. So students, in the exercise number 3.3, the total number of questions are 6. So now in this class, I will show 2 problems. The remaining 4 problems you have to solve in your home. Right? Students, come to the exercise number 3.3. See here, this is an exercise number 3.3. In that the first problem already they solved. See, once again I will explain it. The question is 18 divided by 6 is equals to dash. See here, 18 it is a starting number. So they start from 18 here. And this 6 is the number of steps. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 18 to 12, this is the first jump. Next, from 12 to 6, this is the second jump. And 6 to 0, it is the third jump. So here, the number of jumps are 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3 here. Right? So now come to the second problem. See here, the question is 20 divided by 10 is equals to dash. So here, which is the starting number? This 20 is the starting number, right? So here, where is 20? So here is the 20, right? The next, this 10. What is this 10 indicates? 10 indicates the number of steps. See here, from 20, I am starting from 20 here. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, from 20 to 10, it is the first jump. Right? So, next, again from 10. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, from 10 to 0, it is the second jump. Here, the total number of jumps are, so this is the first jump and this one is the second jump. The total number of jumps are 2. So what is our answer or quotient here? 2 is the quotient. So write down here 2. Right? So students, I solved 2 problems here. Like that, the remaining 4 problems you have to solve in your home. Right? So students, after finishing that work, you have to send a photocopy to me. Right? So students, in this class, you learned how to divide a number on number line. Right? I hope you all enjoyed this class. Right? In the next class, I will meet with a new concept. Okay students, bye.